Good morning, students. Today's class we will be continuing logic gates. Previous class we had discussed about NOT gate. Today's class is about AND gate. As discussed earlier, gates is a digital circuit which can have one or more inputs and there is only one output. The logic gates are also called as the basic gates, and as they are used to perform the basic operations of Boolean algebra, that is AND or NOT. These gates are also called as logic gates. Last class we had a discussion on NOT gate. NOT gate, it is also called as inverter. It is used to get the complement of the input. A NOT gate has only one input and one output. The output is the complement of the input. That means if the input is 1, the output is 0. If the input is 0, the output is 1. So, NOT gate complements the input. Let us continue with the next gate, that is AND gate. AND gate is also called as logical multiplication or logical product. A AND gate can have two or more inputs and only one output. So, AND gate, it is used to perform the basic operation, that is AND operation of Boolean algebra. The AND operation of Boolean algebra, which says that 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. Let us check out the logic diagram and the truth table for AND gate. The logic diagram of AND gate is as shown here. So, a AND gate can have two or more inputs and there is one output. For example, the two inputs are x and y and the output is x, y or x dot y is the output. If an AND gate has three inputs, so let us write one more AND gate, and this AND gate has three inputs. For example, the three inputs are x, y and z. The output of AND gate would be x, y and z. So this is the logic symbol of AND gate. So here we have two input AND gate, and then here we have three input AND gate. Let us write the truth table for the same. Truth table is a table which is a collection of rows and columns which represents all possible inputs and all possible outputs that can be given and obtained. So let me write the truth table for two input AND gate. The two input AND gate, the truth table for two input AND gate is as shown below. So we have two inputs and there is only one output. As there are two inputs, each input can be 0 or 1, as x and y are the logic variables. A logic variable can store either 0 or 1. So, let us draw the truth table for the AND gate. So, in AND gate, two inputs we are taking x and y, and the output is x, y. So, with two input AND gate, there is possibility of giving four inputs. So, how do we give the input? This is input and this is output. This is input x and y and this is output xy. So we start from the y, the last bit, that is we change 0, 1, 0, 1 and x will be 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 ANDed with 0 is 0. 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. 1 ANDed with 0 is 0. 1 ANDed with 1 is 1. So with this truth table we can say that if any one of the input is 0, the output is 0. If all the inputs are 1, only when the output of AND gate is 1. In other cases it is 0. So the output of AND gate is 1 when all the inputs are 1. Otherwise the output is 0. So here we have 2 zeros, so output is 0. Here there is 1 0, the output is 0. Again a 0 here, so we get the output as 0. Here both the inputs x and y are 1 and 1. Therefore, the output what we will be getting from an AND gate is 1. Hope you have understood this. Let us check the 3 input truth table for AND gate. So let us see how to draw a input for 3 input AND gate. A truth table for 3 input AND gate. So this is truth table of AND gate. 3 input AND gate. With 3 inputs x, y and z, there is a possibility of getting 8 different combination of inputs. So with one input, that is, if there is only one input, we will be getting 2 combination, that is 0 and 1. With 2 inputs, like in the previous example, 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So there is possibility of 4 inputs. With 3 inputs, that is 2 to the power of 3. Why 2 to the power of 3? Each input can be either 0 or 1, 2 values. So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Therefore, if there are 3 inputs, there is a possibility of 8 combination of inputs that can be given. Let us draw the truth table for the same and check the values what we will be getting. So let us draw the input first. So let me draw the truth table, and this truth table will have one output. As told earlier, a AND gate will have 2 into or more. There can be 3, 4, any number, but there is only one output. So like we have, here we have inputs and there is only one output. So there are 3 inputs. The inputs are x, y and z, and the output is x, y, z. X ANDed with y ANDed with z. So as I told you, with 3 inputs, there is a possibility of 8 combination of inputs. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So each input can be 0 or 1. With 3 inputs, we can form 8 combination. Let us see. Kindly observe the truth table, how we can give the input. So as I told you, with 3 variables, there will be 8 different possible inputs. So there can be 8 values. So as there are 3 inputs, let us check the third input, that is Z. So Z we have to change. We start from 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The next column will be 2 zeros, 2 ones. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. The next column we need to take 4 zeros and 4 ones. this is how we write the input, 3 input for a AND gate or any gate. So as I told earlier, the output of AND gate is 1 when all the inputs are 1. Otherwise, in other cases, the output is 0. So here 0, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 0, 1 is 0. So 0. So here there is 1, 0. So it will be 0. So here we have 2 zeros. The output is 0. Here there is one input as 0. So the output is 0. Again here there is 1, 0. That is 0. Here all the 3 inputs are 1. Therefore the output is 1. So this is how we write the truth table for 3 input AND gate. So for an AND gate there is only one condition. There can be n number of inputs. There is only one output. There can be n inputs. The output will be 1 only when all the inputs are 1. Either condition, if there is even 1, 0, the output is 0. Otherwise, the output is only when all the inputs should be 1, then the output is 1. Let us move on to the OR gate. So, let me write the logic symbol for OR gate. A OR gate is also called logical addition. A OR gate can have 2 or more inputs and there will be only one output. First, let us see the OR gate, the logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of OR gate. So, this is OR gate. And the output of OR gate is X plus Y. And then let us write the OR gate with 3 inputs. And the output obtained will be X plus Y plus Z. As informed earlier, plus represents or denotes a OR operation in Boolean algebra, whereas dot represents the AND operation. So this is a 3 input OR gate and this is 2 input OR gate. There is a OR and then they are joined together to form a OR gate. So here we have X plus Y and here we have X plus Y plus Z. That is because there are 3 inputs X, Y and Z. Let us check. Already we have a 3 input AND gate truth table. Let me just make the necessary changes. So let me draw the truth table for 3 input OR gate. So the 3 input OR gate, the output of OR gate is X plus Y plus Z. So it is X plus Y plus Z. So this is the truth table for 3 input OR gate. Here OR gate, as we know that there are 3 basic gates: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. These basic gates are also called logic gates because they perform the logic operations of Boolean algebra. So here we have the OR operation. To perform OR operation, we are using OR gate. Here OR gate can have 2 or more inputs, but there is only one output. Here OR gate can have 2 or more inputs and there is only one output. The output of OR gate is 1 when any one of the inputs are 1. So the OR operation says that the output can be 1 when any one of the inputs. So in AND gate, all inputs should be 1 to get a 1 output. Here we require only one input is 1, the output is 1. So here we have x, y and z, three inputs. So let us see, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So there will be 8 combination of inputs that can be given. So here we have z. So x, y and z. And to draw the truth table, we change the order 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then the next input 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. And the third input 4 zeros, 4 ones. Let us draw the output for the same. The OR operation says that if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. Here we have 0, 0, 0. There are no ones. So, the output is 0. Here there is 1. There is 1 in the input, that is Z. So, the output is 1. Here there is 1. The Y value is 1. Therefore, the output is 1. So, here we have 2 ones. So, the output is 1. Here we have 1. So, the output is 1. Again, here we have 1. Here you can see 1 and 1. So, output is 1. Here again there is 1. The output can be 1. Again here all the inputs are 1. The output is 1. So, this is the truth table for OR gate. So, OR gate you can see here. All the inputs are 0. The output is 0. If any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. So, this is about the AND gate. Now, we shall see evaluation of the Boolean expression using truth tables. So, like we have a arithmetic expression, we have a Boolean expression. So, here we have in arithmetic expression, we have variables or the constants with variables and the constants with operators. For example, arithmetic expression is something like this. So, arithmetic expression is like 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 6 into 3 whole divided to the power of 2. So, this is the arithmetic expression. So, whereas Boolean expression will have only 3 operations. So, a Boolean expression will have a logic variable which can be 0 or 1, a logic variable which can be 0 or 1 and the logic variables, and there are only 3 basic operations and or not. So, a Boolean expression can be A, B bar plus C plus D or D bar. A, B bar, that is A is ANDed with the complement of B, not of B, ORed with C and then ORed with not of D. So, this is a Boolean expression. Like a normal expression, there are operators and operands. A normal expression is a combination of operator and operands, whereas a Boolean expression is a combination of logic variables and the basic operations of Boolean algebra, that is AND or NOT. And either you write a dot or even if you don't write, for example, the same can be written as A, B bar plus C, C bar D. So, which means A, B bar. A ANDed with B bar. Though I am not writing dot, it means that A, B bar means A ANDed with B bar. B bar is nothing but not of B. Plus is ORed with C bar D. C bar is the complement of C ANDed with D. So, this is a Boolean expression. Now, we will see the evaluation, so the evaluation of Boolean expression, how we evaluate this Boolean expressions using truth tables. So the next topic is the evaluation of Boolean expression using truth tables. Now we will learn how we can design or construct the truth tables for a Boolean expression. Let us start with a simple Boolean expression, that is A B bar. A B bar is the Boolean expression. Now let us construct a truth table to evaluate this Boolean expression. So let us construct a truth table So let us construct a truth table for the following. So for the following expression, Boolean expression A, B bar. Let us see how to construct a truth table for A, B bar. First, we need to see how many variables are there in the expression. So there are A, B bar. So there are two variables, two logic variables. And the two logic variables are, one is A, the other one is B. One is A, the other one is B. Then we will see, is there any complement? There is a complement of B. So that is B bar. So there are two variables. We can say A, B. So first we will take those variables as one column. Then we will see, is there any complement? There is complement, that is B bar is there. So we will take the complement of that. And then A we have and B bar also we have. Then we can add A and B bar column. So we know how to take the values for A and B. That is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 zeros, 2 ones. Then we need to take the complement of B. B bar. That means if there is 0, the complement of 0 is 1. The complement of 1 is 0. The complement of 0 is 1. The complement of 1 is 0. That is B bar. So if we have B, we can get B bar. How? B bar is nothing but the opposite or the complement of B. Now let us see, in this expression there is A, that column we have, and then B bar, we have found B bar. Now we need to AND A and B bar. A and B bar. So when we AND it, it will be 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 0. So you should not AND B. So we are ANDing A and B bar. So 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. 0 ANDed with 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 ANDed with 0 is 0. Therefore, this is the way how we can draw the truth table for A, B bar. Let us begin the same example. Let me explain it again. So here we will see how we can evaluate a Boolean expression using truth tables. So what is a Boolean expression? Like an arithmetic expression is a combination of A arithmetic expression is a combination of variables, constants and arithmetic operators. Similarly, a Boolean expression is a combination of logic variables and logic operations. As we know, the logic operations of Boolean algebra and or not. Those are the three basic operations of Boolean algebra. So now we will see how we can evaluate a Boolean expression using truth tables. So let us learn how to construct